Hello guys, today is a typical Sunday and I just quickly want to move my bike because the storm is coming. But I'll be taking you through my day. I'm going to be teaching my students and also I'm going to be showing you my progress on my profile, how I was able to pass phase one on three different accounts. Currently have the accounting phase two. So that's just basically it. And also how we prepare for the week to be able to trade and potentially pass phase two. Need their minimum trading days of five and we can get the payout. So I just want to continue from here, show you guys and also if you guys are interested, join my telegram. The link is in the description. Join my telegram. If you guys also want to register with any prop firm, you can use the link down below. They have good deals. Yeah, that's
Fresh, oh, fresh, oh, fresh, oh, mama. I don't see your set, oh, mama. Carry you for head, oh, mama. Mama. Fresh, oh, fresh, oh, fresh, oh, mama.
So guys, a quick update on the three accounts I have with this particular prop firm aqua funded. You can see I passed three accounts. That's the phase one. I passed phase one. I have nine accounts. When I bought the account, they do give free account. All these accounts are free accounts. I didn't attempt them because I'm not planning to trade them then pay later. So I just ignore them. They do that stuff. If you are willing to trade the accounts, then you pay later. You can do that as well. But I just chose not to. So these are the accounts. I'll just go with the no, with the one I passed. Let me. It's pretty much the same thing. So let's just go through the dashboard of the account that I passed. This is the ending balance. You can see the basic stats. I took 19 trades. I took total of 3.59 lot size, average RR of 2.68, win rate of 47%. I hit their minimum five minimum trading days, average win $82, average loss $30. This doesn't actually show enough about my statistics because when I was trying to hit the minimum trading days, I was just scrambling and looking for 0.5% daily. So that was it. And that was what tampered with all this. And I had 19 trades. It was just crazy though. Like, oh, one day I'll make 0.5%, the next day I'll come out lose, then I'll make all this kind of stuff. It was just crazy. Let's just go to the main stuff. This is my consistency score. I don't know how they're calculating it, but 9 wins and 10 losses. Crazy. So this is just the basic statistics of the account. I think I made all my money with one particular pair. So these are the pairs I traded. I took losses on these ones and made money on the other one. So and these are all my trades. You can see the loss of. I was just aiming for one to ones here. That was why. Just trying to hit the daily um to hit the trading day. You can see I was making 0.5%, 0.5%, 1%, which is not usual, but that's just what you do to pass your account. So I did it in a controlled manner. That's why I was able to do it. If you try to be aggressive, you won't be able to handle the pressure. You can see the controlled manner. After I hit the profit target, I got an extra trading day, right? This is the third trading day. Then on this day I lost $50. I cap for the day. The next day I lost $50 again. You can see how everything is controlled. Then I made about $3 and I made the last money on the last trading day. You can see. So this is how to do everything in a controlled manner. You guys should just learn from all this because they will get to a point where you have passed your account, but you need the minimum trading days and to fuck you up. Yeah. So this is my phase two. Let me just use one of the accounts to give you an example. It started off bad. I have 11 trades. Though some of all these trades are just double position or triple position or scaling up. Then two minimum trading days have been hit. I was in drawdown, but thankfully I came out of drawdown. Let me show you the overview. Came out of drawdown. This is the trade. This is my average win. One thing I always keep consistent is my average win and my average losses is always about around 2 hour, because you don't want to be doing 1 hour or so, because you just end up shooting yourself. So I lost a lot of money on gold. Gold have been crazy these past 2 weeks. If you know, you know. And this is the trade that I used to recover this Friday, GJ. Wow, that was really nice. 1.4 lots. And also, this is just it. This was the trade on GJ. I took this 46, this 128, 182, and this $86. This was a scale up to this. That was why. So I scaled up and capitalized more. And this was the losing days, crazy losing days, but thankfully we're about to break even, and starting the next week with a cool head, hopefully. So this is it. And I've recovered the account back to break even. I've recovered two accounts back to break even. One is still in drawdown of about 4%, I guess. Oh no, 3%. Where is it? This particular one. Yes. So this current balance, but hopefully we pass it. This is the third one. Balance is at break even. This one balance is at break even. Just this one that is currently in drawdown, but yeah, we are going to try to pass this account together. So that's just basically it. This was a trade on GJ. Clean 2 hour, scaled up around here and made a lot of money. The week has not been good. Gold, I missed this gold by here by peep. This was clean 3 hour. This was one of my good losses. I think I took another loss earlier this week around here also. But we move. I'll be giving you guys better updates on my trades from Monday. So stick around. I'm going to be like vlogging throughout the week. So just stick around, and I have a lot installed. And also you can join my Telegram. I'll be posting my trades there before anywhere anybody sees it. So, and if you also want to use this Profem, you can use my link. I'll drop my link in description. You use them, you can get different accounts. Different, you can get 5k accounts, two step, 5k. That's $23, and it's actually nice. They have standard, they have pro. Pro is $17. Pro is what I'm actually trading. But if I had known, I would have gone for the standard, because I think standard, their rules are a bit better. I don't think you need to get 5 minimum trading days, which is a pain in the ass. But that's just basically it. Their prices are cheap. This $53 for a 25k account. This is $53, and the pro is $75. Wow, that's beautiful. So you can also choose between all these platform, and if it's your first time, you can get 50% off using this code welcome. This 50% off for code welcome. But if um um if you have been trading with them, and you just want to buy a new account, you can use the link in my description, or use my promo code. I'll paste it around the screen here. Use my promo code and you get a good discount. Yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, share to your friends. A lot of things that I'm going to be giving guys a lot of update about this aqua funded. It look nice. And yeah, that's it. See you guys.